Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book a flight for children traveling alone on Etihad Airlines or Airways. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. So how can you create one? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. Once you locate the search bar, go ahead and type in etihad.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Etihad. Once you get to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly learn how we can book a flight for children traveling alone on Etihad. So from here, this homepage, I would like you to head over to manage. So in manage, you have this manager booking, check-in, and extras. So under extras or even under manager booking, go ahead and click on special assistance. And that's going to take you right into this window. So here we have this unaccompanied minors. It says we'll keep your little ones in safe hands when they fly alone. So go ahead and click on find out more. So that takes you here. Age eligibility is important for you to know that 0 to 7 children under the age of 5 on the day of travel must always be accompanied by an adult traveling on the same flight and in the same cabin. They are not permitted to fly alone. And then from 5 to 11, children aged this can use our unaccompanied minor service for free, and they must be booked on a normal adult fare and have pre-booked the service before arriving at the airport. Then children aged 12 to 17 are permitted to travel on their own adult ticket, but you may prefer to pay to use our unaccompanied minor service. So guests between these are permitted to escort an unaccompanied minor, and legal parents below the age of 18 will be permitted to accompany infants or children with relevant identification. Okay, so how to book. So let's go ahead and learn how to book your child's flight. So click on that. So now you have to check if it's a round trip or it's not round trip, or let's say it's a one-way trip. So you can choose either economy or first or business. So flying from where and flying to where at that outbound date. So when do you want outbound? So that's it. And then go ahead and click on search flights. Now once you click on search flights, you're going to see it's going to take you to a page where you're going to see the flights that you can choose. Select any of the flights, and if you want to add baggage, if you want to add extras, and then it's going to take you right into the payments window where you can now proceed to make payment. But this is pretty much the process that you can take to book a flight for children traveling alone. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.